I wanted to do something to get the community involved inside the schools. So I met with a representative of Hartfield Lanes, and they donated equipment that I can use to teach the kids boating skills in the elementary schools. The kids, they do scores for each other, so we rotate. They will score their partners. They also, the aspect of bowling is physical. It also works on upper body and leg strength. A kid that maybe we just got finished doing a soccer unit or something. So the kid who wasn't as interested in soccer, then when this bowling unit comes about, they kind of get a second wind. They're like, oh yeah, I love bowling. So, their peak in interest in PE kind of gets elevated. It's important for kids to be active, not only in school but outside of school, and I think that Hartfield Lanes give them an opportunity to still be active outside of schools, along with other activities that they can do in the community. PE is part of the learning experience, and it goes hand in hand with creating the whole child aspect that we have here in Berkley. The community give to us, and I try to have the parents and students give back to the community.